Olivia. Welcome to Olivia's workshop. Today we're going to be making these beautiful marble coasters out of nail polish. They're great gifts for your family and friends. Okay, so let's get started. Today we're going to be making these cool marble coasters. And they're super easy to make. First you're going to need a ceramic tile, which you can get at your home improvement stores, a wooden stick to swirl with, 3 different color nail polishes, a cup of warm water, some paper towels, and a paper plate. First thing we're going to do is pour the warm water into the paper plate. It's warm water because we do not want the nail polish to dry quickly onto the surface of the water. So just pour carefully. And there we go. So now we're going to put as many nail polishes as you like onto the water. Okay, so now we're going to dip. When you dip, you just go straight in and swirl a little and then bring it back up. Okay, so I'm going to dip straight in, swirl, up. This is what my coaster looks like. I'm going to put it onto a paper plate. So you're going to want to put some felt on the back of your coaster so that it's nice and smooth. Those are your marble coasters. Thanks for watching. Bye! Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notifications bell button on the bottom. And if you like my videos, follow my YouTube channel.